Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into IMO from your phone number. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Go through your app list and tap open IMO application. Once you're in, select your country if necessary from the drop down and type in your phone number. Once you do that, tap on the tick mark at the right corner in blue. Confirm your phone number by tapping on OK from the pop-up. If you've typed in an incorrect phone number, tap on Edit and correct your phone number and then tap on OK. Allow IMO to access your contact. Enter the code sent to your mobile number, and after a few seconds, you'll be logged into your IMO account. That is how you can log into IMO from your phone number. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.